Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to Jamal Sir Mathematics, our favorite YouTube channel. Yes, students, today we'll see third exercise 3.3, practice set 3.3 of the most important chapter of your subject geometry, that is circle. So ये practice set start करने से पहले हम क्या देखेंगे, कुछ basics theorem. So for practice set 3.3, here I have given you two more important theorem. The first theorem is what? The chords corresponding to the congruent arcs of a circle are congruent. So आज हम देखेंगे ये कैसे प्रूव हो सकता है, राइट? What do you mean by this statement? इस स्टेटमेंट का मतलब क्या हो रहा है, पहले हम वो समझते हैं. So for example, we have one circle. Okay students? अभी सर्कल में क्या बोला है हमसे? We have two arcs and both the arcs are what? Congruent. हमारे पास दो congruent arc है. Okay? So let's say my first arc is AXB. Right? In my previous videos, I have explained you clearly what exactly the meaning of arc. Right? Arc means what? Arc means is the small piece of circle. Circle का एक छोटा सा piece क्या कहलाता है? Arc. So this shaded portion AXB is what? My arc. So arc AXB. This is my first arc. Right? Now we have one more arc. Second arc is what? For example, my second arc is CPD. So I have one more smaller piece of circle, that is CPD, second arc. So we'll write here arc CPD. So this way we got two arcs. Now what do we know? Again, go back to the statement. Statement के पास चलते हैं हम लोग. The corresponding chords to the congruent arcs. So do we got arcs? Yes, my arc is what? AXB and the second arc is what? CPD. What do we know? Both the arcs are congruent, right? So since we know that arcs are congruent, so arc AXB is congruent to arc CPD. Right? This we know. Why it is? Because it is given. Since these two arcs are congruent. Now, the theorem is the chords corresponding. What do you mean by chords? Chords means, so students, if you remember, if you don't remember, please go and watch my previous videos. There I have explained you exactly what do you mean by chords and what are the meanings of arcs. So here, let us discuss one more time what is the chord. Chord is a line which touches the circle at two distinct points. एक ऐसी line जो circle को दो अलग-अलग points पर touch करे. Such line is called what? Chords. So chords CD and one more chord is what? AB. Right? So chords corresponding. Now what do you mean by corresponding? Here what are the chords? Chords are AB and CD. Now what do you mean by this corresponding? Corresponding means opposite. Corresponding means what? Opposite. But what do we know? These two arcs, arc CPD and arc AXB, both are given what? Congruent. This we know. Why we know? Because it is given. Right? It is given that these two arcs are congruent. Now, what do we know? We know these two arcs are congruent. So the chords corresponding. Corresponding means opposite. So this is my chord. Right? Where it is? It is opposite. Opposite means what? Corresponding. It is corresponding to the arc CPD. Right? Similarly, I have one more arc AXB. Do we have something corresponding to it? क्या इसके सामने कुछ है? हाँ, इसके सामने देखो, इसके corresponding, इसके सामने कौन है? इसके सामने है chord AB, right? सो ये रहा हमारा आर्क ए एक्स बी। आर्क ए एक्स बी के सामने यानी इसके अपोजिट में, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग में कौन है? इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग में है कॉड ए बी। सो विल राइट हियर कॉड ए बी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू, ये रहा हमारा आर्क सी पी डी, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग कौन है? कॉड सी डी, कॉड सी डी, राइट। इस थ्योरम में, इस प्रॉपर्टी में हमसे यही बताया है, इफ chords are congruent, look this one, if chords are congruent then their corresponding, sorry, if arcs are congruent then their corresponding chords are also what? Congruent. Clear everyone? If arcs are congruent then their corresponding chords are also what? Congruent. Clear everyone? अगर एक सर्कल में दो chords, दो arcs congruent हैं तो उनके corresponding chords भी कैसे हो जाएंगे? Congruent हो जाएंगे. This is my first theorem. So theorem says that chords, these two are what? Chords corresponding to the congruent arcs are what? Are congruent. यानी एक सर्कल में अगर दो आर्क्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो उनके अपोजिट के कॉर्ड्स भी कैसे हो जाएंगे? आपस में कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. सो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी. हियर व्हाट वी कैन सी, the arcs corresponding to the congruent chords. So again I have a circle, right? Let's say we have a circle here. Now in this circle what do we know? Which two things are congruent? So here given chords are congruent. So for example, this is my first chord Mn and my second chord PQB, sorry, PQ. Now what do we know? These two chords are what? They are congruent to each other, right? So we know chord Mn is congruent to what? Chord PQ. Right? This we know. Why? Because it is given. What is given? Congruent chords. So Mn and PQ both are what? Both are congruent to each other. Now the property is arcs corresponding. Corresponding means it's opposite. So these two are what? These two are chords and they are congruent. So it's corresponding means इनके सामने, इनके opposite में कौन है? तो इनके opposite में है MAN. Now what is this MAN? MAN है क्या? So this MAN is my arc. Now opposite of this PQ, PCQ. Now what is this PCQ? Students, ये PCQ क्या है? ये PCQ है arc, right? अगर ये दोनों chords आपस में congruent हैं, so their corresponding arcs are also congruent. So ये रहा chord Mn. chord Mn के सामने इसके corresponding में arc कौन सा है? arc है MAN. So we'll write here arc MAN is congruent to. Now second chord is what? PQ. This is my chord PQ. इसके सामने, इसके corresponding में arc कौन है? arc है PCQ. So we'll write here arc PCQ. So this is my property. If property क्या कहता है? If chords are congruent. अगर chords congruent है, so corresponding arc are also congruent. If chords are congruent, then corresponding arcs are also congruent. This is my second property. समझा हम लोग को? Means in a circle, if two chords are congruent, अगर एक सर्कल में दो chords congruent हैं, तो उनके corresponding arc भी क्या हो जाएंगे? Congruent. Clear everyone? This is my second theorem. And what was my first theorem? In a circle, right? In a circle, if two arcs are congruent, these two arcs are what? If two arcs are congruent, then their corresponding chords are also congruent. समझा हम लोग को? एक सर्कल के अंदर अगर दो आर्क कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो उनके अपोजिट के कॉर्ड्स भी क्या हो जाएंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएंगे. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी एंड दिस इज माय सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी. समझा हम लोग को? सो द प्रॉपर्टी इज the chords corresponding to the congruent arc of a circle are congruent. So the chords corresponding, look, the chords corresponding to congruent arcs are also congruent. Similarly, the arc corresponding, right, this is my arc. So the arc corresponding to congruent chords. Now what are the congruent chords? So these two are the chords and they are congruent. So arc, this is my arc corresponding to congruent chords are what? Are congruent. Hope you have understood this very well. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel and please go through this property. These are very important properties. Thank you so much.